How to install Optum Bank mobile app. So just tap get and then you will be able to double click and install it. With the app update, you can now easily keep track of all your account balances, unlock more ways to use your health account dollars, use your account to pay for health costs, find answers if you have questions, store your health care receipts all in one place, understand what may qualify as an eligible health expense. Yeah, so that's like the mobile banking app, and you can view your health accounts all in one spot, get tips for stretching every dollar, keep track of your balances and contributions, and then yeah, you can just tap open it up, can allow notifications, and this is like the Optum Bank app. It's pretty convenient to use it just on your phone. You just need to sign in with your health safe ID. There is a help option. You can also register. And you need last 6 digits of your social security number, or you need your employee ID if your company is cooperating with those. So there you have it.